Okay, boys and girls, let's look at slide 5 from today's Desmos. It says to read the problem, show your work on the board, and of course, you're watching this video to check your work. If you need to make changes to your board, it's absolutely okay. So let's read this problem. Ooh, I had fun with this one. It says the pedestal of a small statue is made of by stacking 2 prisms. There's 2 of them right there. The base of each prism is a square. This solid figure represents the pedestal. What is the volume of the pedestal of the statue? Okay, so there's some things we need to know. Okay, we need to know that our volume equals our length times our width times our height. Okay, we also know, let's see here, it says that these are both squares. So the base of them are both squares. That means that their sides are all the same in the length. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the volume of the either one, the small base or pedestal, and then the volume of the larger one on the bottom, and then I'm going to add them together. So let's fill in what we know about the small length. Oh, golly. This is not going the way I want it to. There we go. All right, so what I know about the volume of the small one. Well, let's see here. I know that it's 8 centimeters long, okay? So I'm gonna do my length of 8 centimeters times my width of 8 centimeters, because all the sides are the same length on a square. And my height is 3 centimeters times 3. All right, so let's do that. 8 times 8. And you've heard me say this earlier today. If you need to use your multiplication chart, you are so welcome to do that. Okay, 8 times 8 is 64. And then 64 times 3 is going to give me the volume. So 3 times 4 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18, plus my 1 is 19. So my volume of the small one is 192 centimeters cubed. Let's find the volume of the larger bottom one. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill in my length times my width times my height. My length is 12 centimeters. My width is 12 centimeters. And my height is 3 centimeters. Okay, let's do the math. 12 times 12. And I actually know my 12 facts, and I know that 12 times 12 is 144. If you don't know that, you can definitely do it the long way. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Put your 0 in to hold your place. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Going from there. You'll get 144. And then I take 144, multiply it times 3. Now this one I don't know in the top of my head, so I've got to go through all the steps. 3 times 4 is 12, carry my 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus that 1 is 13, carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus my 1 is 4. So my volume of the larger one on the bottom is 400. Let's see here, 400. Let me put that up here. 432 centimeters cubed. Okay. Now, I'm not done yet. To find the volume of both of it, all of it, I've got to add my 192 to my volume of 432. Let's add those together. 2 and 2 is 4. 9 and 3 is 12. Carry my 1. 4 and 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So my final volume is going to equal 624 centimeters cubed. That looks really bad, right? So let me see if I can change my centimeters. See, I know that you guys copy on these boards. As long as I can see what you're doing, that's all I care about. I know it gets a little sloppy from time to time. I get sloppy too. So check your work. Make sure you got a total volume of 624 centimeters cubed. If you did not, do you see what you did wrong? You need to go back to your whiteboard and change it.